Divine, what do you want to tell your mom?
That I love you guys truly from the bottom of my heart. You guys, just to my mom, she's raised me since I was young, so I appreciate everything that she's done for me. Talaga, so thank you sa lahat.
Sa inyong dalawa, especially because, diba, you're coming from a relationship na nagkaroon ng problema because of the things na pinagsilosan sa loob, anong hindi mo gagawin in the future kung talagang maging kayo, Wendy?
I think tama yung taking our time para mas makilala ko din po siya. I think kasi medyo naging mabilis yung sa mga past relationships ko para mas alam ko po kung ano yung mga negative side niya, yung mga ganon. Yun.
Parang, kumbaga, kung naging kayo, kilala mo na siya.
Opo,
so, wala na yung parang, di mo sinabi sa akin yan,
Ganon po. Parang ganon. Okay po yung taking our time, tsaka, siguro masyado kasi akong selosa eh. So, siguro ganon. Di na po ako maging masyadong ganon.
You're not afraid that kung ano nangyari sa inyo there, considering that she was in a relationship, baka ulitin niya ulit?
No. I trust Wendy. So.
Oh, okay. Say, ano natutunan mo from that breakup?
Yun po, huwag masyadong maging seryoso sa relationship na akala ko dati, kasi po, akala ko po magtatagal kami talaga. Yun. Tapos hindi naman po pala. Kasi hindi ko siya masyado nakilala talaga. As in, lumalabas lang kami pag linggo. Yun po. Kaya siguro hindi nag-last yung talagang matagal na relationship.
I'll close this by asking Divine, a lot of kids who are probably watching us right now would like to be able to be open with their parents. Not everybody will be as accepting as your mom and dad or her mom and dad. What's the first step that they should take?
Well, it's difficult because your parents or your family, no matter what, they will always love you. But if you want to be true to yourself and happy, just take it slow, because it's hard to be put in that situation. It's extremely hard. I think once your parents get comfortable enough to want to talk to it, of course the first reaction is denial, and they don't want to talk about it. But I guess just slowly keep bringing it up. Don't make them angry about it.
Tama yun. Huwag mo galitin, di ba?
Yeah, try and communicate like adults so that they understand your point of view.
Or maybe she said something na pamilya mo yun eh. Magulang mo yun. So, at the end of the day, di ba, nakakatanda sila ang mas may napagdaanan na sa life. So, kung meron kailangan mag-exert ng matinding pasensya, it's the one who's trying to bring up something difficult. It should be the person na may hinihinging tanggapin. Kung meron lang ako na pick up dito talaga, number one, tama yung sinasabi nyo na iba yung sitwasyon sa PBB, pero hindi mo rin maaalis na yung mga may karelasyon, di ba, meron kayong makikilala outside of that relationship, whether in school or in your work environment. So, it's how you conduct yourself while still in that relationship that will determine what will happen sa'yo in the future. Kasi, syempre, di ba, gusto naman natin na kung meron man iniwan, sana hindi yung kaiwan-iwan na parang may karma na nakadugtong doon. Kasi, pag meron kang nasaktan talaga at meron kang napaiyak, imposible naman na in the future, hindi bumalik yun sa'yo. And I admire the two girls also kasi parang sa babae nga talaga nakita natin, mas madali sa atin magpakatotoo. And to be honest, yung mga lalaki parang gusto nila mahuli na lang sila, di ba, para tapos na. Kasi may ganun may issue. Pero yung kung anong meron talaga, pangalagaan. And sa inyo, perfect yung sinabi nyo ngayon about taking your time kasi ngayon for everybody, lalo na doon sa mga mas batang nanonood, totoo yun. When you take your time, mas nakilala nyo isa't isa, then that's when you'll know talaga, di ba? Kung kayo, because kung hindi nyo naman talaga masyadong kilala isa't isa, baka nagbobolahan lang kayo. Thank you, Alan Murillo of Murillo Furniture, Accessories, and Artwork. And again, preview out in the market already. Salamat sa inyo. Good luck sa inyong pagmamodel. Modeling yan, di ba? And thanks to the mommies who joined us. See you all again dito po sa Chris TV.